GoinGlobal is an online careers information resource available to Northumbria students. If you are keen to work or study overseas, use GoinGlobal to find jobs, internships and work experience opportunities, as well as country-specific career information and career guides. This video will show you how to use GoinGlobal to search for job opportunities and internships overseas. To search for jobs, click Job Search in the menu on this page. This will take you to the basic job search screen. To narrow your search, you can enter keywords in the keyword box. This is a free text field and you can search in both English and the local language. Next, enter an occupation. GoinGlobal will provide search terms when you start typing. Select one of the options to complete the field. Location is the only compulsory element to the search. You must select a country to complete the search. Use the drop-down list to select the country you wish to search for jobs in. You can then also narrow your search to a city in that country. Launch your search by clicking on the Search button. Search results will be displayed on a new page. Search results provide the job title, company name, location, and a brief description of the job. You can filter results by language. For example, in this search, vacancies are available in French or English. Just use the drop-down list at the top right of the results to select a language. To find out more about a vacancy, click on the job title to go to the job details. You can also use the advanced search to narrow your results. This includes an option to add more detail to your keyword search, include the company name, and restrict by when their job advert was published. To search for an internship from the home page, click Internship Search from the menu in the centre of the screen. This will take you to the Internship Search screen. Select the country you wish to search for internships in from the drop-down list. Launch your search by clicking the Search button. This will take you to the search results page. As with the job search, you can filter the search by language using the drop-down list at the top right of the results screen. You can also narrow the search by using the options shown on the left of the screen: city, keyword, and age jobs published. As well as using the search facility to find jobs and internships, each country guide has a section on job search resources, with links to websites for finding internships and vacancies. See the video on country guides for more information. If you need help using GoinGlobal, you can speak to us in Student Central on the ground floor of City Campus Library. The Careers Guidance drop-in is held every Monday to Friday, 10 AM to 4 PM. Just go to the Ask for Help desk to sign up. The Careers Information and Job Search drop-in is held every weekday, 1 to 3 PM. No appointment is needed.